Musumbi William Ruto niwathana kwailya maundu ma kisomo bandi ya Kenya na muno kisomo cha CBE ayasya kana silekali nikwithiwa iyandika alimu ngili 24 tuvikia mwakani ukite wa 2026 nikana kumina unyivu wa alimu masukuluni va Kenya. Musumbi aineena kavindani kala ukumasya uneeeni nthi kukonia maundu ala silekali yikite na evaniye Kwika miakoni ya mbunge Musumbi ingi niwasya kana kwisila wala ni wanyota mwika Mbee wa ngili na nikwithiwa maitetheka na mbesa cia kuendesya maviasala na kwiyukilya miikalileni yo osea kimanzi nukutwelesya
aineena kavindani kala ukumasya uneeeni kwanzi yulua maundu ala silekali yake ivani Kwika na yikite. Musumbi William Ruto niwazekana wala ni wanyota na ula unaambiwe ni silekali wina muvango wa kunenga amwika utwika na myanya ya mawia ayathana kana wala ni uno nikwithiwa uitethya amwika ala matena mawia va Kenya Mbee wa ngili mananyanya kuyukilya kiukwati.
Over the next 5 years, Nyota will uplift 820,000 unemployed young people through apprenticeship, recognition of prior learning, entrepreneurship grants, digital skills training, and support savings. When the program is fully implemented, it will have placed 90,000 young people into work or enterprise, certified 20,000 into different skill areas, capitalized 110,000 businesses, and matched savings for 190,000 savers, while building capacity of 600,000 more to undertake government procurement under the ACBO program.
Kavindani kau Musumbi niwongelana kwazekana uteo utalo munene wa alimu ala silekali yake ivikite na kuandika ni makwithiwa mayandikwa alimu wange ngili 24 tuvikia mwakani wa ngili na 23 nikana kuolanga unyivu wa alimu masukuluni.
We then tackled the teacher crisis head on. We have hired, as you all know, 76,000 teachers with 24,000 more to be brought in by January next year. That will translate to 100,000 teachers in 3 years, an achievement unmatched.
Yenge Musumbi niwathana kusebwa kwa kinanu cha infrastructure fund kila ukwazekana takiutethesya nthi ya Kenya kuendea na Mbee maunduni mawa kiwa malelu silanga kati wa maundu angi.
To deploy our national assets available to us in creating public-private partnerships that will crowd in the enormous pool of private sector resources available regionally and globally. This is why we will establish the National Infrastructure Fund, whose architecture will be underpinned by the reforms in the Government-Owned Enterprises Bill passed by this August House that I will sign into law tomorrow.
Ngirivotia vilingi wa mauvu wa Mutongoi TV, osea kimanzi.